Mazda infotainment systems like Mazda Connect and newer Android-based setups are central to your car's connectivity, navigation, and entertainment features. A reboot or soft reset is a quick restart that clears the system's temporary memory. Use it for minor issues like app crashes or unresponsive screens. To reboot, hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen turns off, then let it restart automatically. This won't erase your data. A factory reset or hard reset restores the system to its original state and erases all settings, apps, and saved data. Use this for persistent problems that a reboot can't fix. To factory reset, access through Settings, System, Factory Reset. Confirm the reset, then repair your devices and re-download apps afterward. Important precautions. Always park the vehicle before performing any reset. For newer models, check the Mazda Owner's app for guided resets. Remember that factory resets require repairing devices and re-downloading apps. While resets are useful, explore other solutions first. For Bluetooth problems, forget and repair your devices and ensure your firmware is updated. If the screen freezes, try using a stylus or pin if the touch function fails, and avoid extreme temperatures. For navigation errors, clear the app cache in Settings, Apps, Storage, and use offline maps if connectivity is poor. If you have audio issues, check your wiring. As of September 2025, OTA updates fix many software problems, potentially eliminating the need for manual resets. Always check for the latest updates in your vehicle's settings, as Mazda reports 70% of reported issues can be resolved this way. Resets are generally safe and effective for glitches, but if problems persist or you are not confident in performing these actions yourself, consult a professional or your Mazda dealership.